That was Christmas Time is Here by Vince Guaraldi. In this next segment, we'll have a count in, and you'll be able to see the standard notation, tablature, and the Guitar Pro neck diagram. If you find this video helps you with your guitar playing and this tune, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let me know how you're doing with this arrangement. Is it too difficult? Is it too easy? Is it interesting enough? All this will help me shape future arrangements and future videos. Later in the video, we'll have a step-by-step with the standard notation and the tablature, and I'll just walk you through it. Okay, well, here we go. 2 counts of 3. Next up, let's go through this step by step, little by little, and it's a great idea to practice in small sections, so you may pause the video throughout. We're in the key of F here, 3/4 time, and I'm using finger picking, but if you prefer, you can use a pick for all of this. I'm in position 10 here with an F major 7, going to position 7, still F major 7, and then the E flat 9 sharp 11. I'm not going to describe all of the specifics of each voicing, just the basic chord families. Okay, and then we're going to do that again. So F major 7, position 10, position 7, and then down to position 5 for E flat 9 sharp 11. This part of the arrangement takes a little bit of finger independence. It might be a little bit challenging, so I would spend a good amount of time on this screen and maybe even pause it. So we have B minor 7 flat 5, and then we're going to shift over. We're going to play this note on string 2, and then we're going to form another voicing of B minor 7 flat 5. I'm going to try to keep that finger 3 going and play the B flat minor 7. Then we're going to let go. We'll grab fret 5 on string 2 with a bar on that, and then we'll have A minor just about set up. A minor 7. And then we have pinky off for string 2 fret 5, and then we're going to go to F major 7 over A. We're going to keep that note ringing on string 2, move down to A flat diminished, and then move that finger 4 down to fret 4. Okay, and then we're going to use a bar. Now, this is one thing that really can kind of help you out with finger picking, is then you don't have to worry too much about string 5, but you can keep a finger here on string 5, fret 5 as a placeholder if you're strumming. Okay, so we have G minor 7. I'm going to play fret 6 and then back to fret 3, and then we're going to move up to B flat over C, and then we're going to move to the F major 7, which technically is F major 9. Okay, so we go through it again. I'll play through it a little quicker this time. It's really the same thing. And we do that again, F major 7. Okay, and then we get to B minor 7 flat 5. Okay, B flat minor, A minor 7, then F major 7 over A. Bring these tones down to the A flat diminished, G minor, B flat over C, and then the F major 9. Okay, so here's our B section. We're going to play in position 6 now, the D flat major 7. Okay, and then position 3, D flat major 7 as well. And then we're going to go up to position 8 for G flat 9 sharp 11. So it's a little bit different than the A section that way. We're going to do the same thing again. Okay, now we get to A minor 7. So we're going to play A minor 7. We're going to form the bar and then play string 1 fret 5 on its own. Okay, and then we're going to try to keep that note going, and we're going to add fingers 2 and 3 to strings 2 and 3. Okay, and then we're going to play up here. We're going to go position 7, fret 8, string 1 with finger 2, and we're going to land the D9. And then we're going to play with finger 4, the string 1, fret 5, and then we'll plant D7 flat 9. Okay, and then we're going to go to position 5. We'll have formed the G minor 7 ahead of time, but we'll play that note on its own, fret 6, string 1. Okay, and then they'll play the chord. We're going to go to position 8, string 2. We're going to play that note with finger 1. And then we're going to play the D flat 7 sharp 11. And then finger 4 on string 2, fret 10. And then the C13. At that point, we get back to the A section. So we go back into this. So we have F major 7, position 7, position 5. Same thing again. Okay, and then we get B minor 7 flat 5. Let me stop it there and move over. So we have B flat and the F major 9. Thanks for watching. Do you need additional help with this tune? Please check out the description down below. There you can sign up for a private lesson. If you're looking for additional resources on guitar in general and improvisation, check out the member area and courses on my website, fretprints.com. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great practice session.